The SODAY 12pc Nonstick Cookware Set is a great addition to any kitchen. This set comes with many useful pieces. You get frying pans and saucepans. A steamer is also included. The set has silicone tools, and they are gentle on the nonstick. Cooking becomes simpler, and cleanup is a breeze. This SODAY 12pc Nonstick Cookware Set boasts a white granite finish. It looks stylish on your counter. The nonstick surface is healthy because it is free from harmful chemicals. These include PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS. You can cook with less oil, which is good for you. The pots and pans heat up quickly and evenly. This helps your food cook perfectly. The SODAY 12pc Nonstick Cookware Set is also easy to clean. Food does not stick to the surface. A simple wipe or rinse is often enough. The handles stay cool when you are cooking. Glass lids let you see your food without lifting them. This set is a practical choice for everyday cooking. It offers good value and makes cooking enjoyable. Pros: less oil needed, easy to clean, durable granite, heats up fast, heats evenly, all stovetops. Stay cool handles, glass lids, steamer included. Versatile set. Cons: handles may feel heavy, handle design could improve, durability over long term, non-stick. Coating lifespan, potential for scratches, uneven heating possible, lid fit could be better. Quality control issues, customer service varies, set may lack larger sizes. Features: 12-piece set, non-stick coating, white granite look, induction ready, non-toxic, healthy. Cooking, frying pans, saucepans, includes steamer, PFAS free. This SODAY 12-piece cookware set has a white granite look with a non-stick coating, making cooking and cleaning easy. It's safe to use because it's free of harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, and PFOS. The set works on all kinds of stovetops, even induction, and includes frying pans, saucepans, and a steamer for different cooking needs. The SODAY 12-piece pots and pans set is a non-stick cookware set made with white granite, designed for healthy cooking with less oil as it is free from harmful chemicals. This versatile set includes frying pans, saucepans, and a steamer, and it is compatible with all stovetops. Heats up quickly and evenly, and is easy to clean. The set features stay cool handles and glass lids, though some users find the handles heavy and suggest the design could be improved. While the granite material is noted for its durability, there are concerns about the long-term lifespan of the non-stick coating and potential for scratches. And some reports mention possible uneven heating and issues with lid fit and quality control, with customer service experiences varying.